Okay, we've got the Meteor 75. Challenge for today is to fly through the car and then ideally do a power loop and go through again. Let's see what happens. This is going to test everything. Okay, we're out. That's a good start. Let's have a look where we are. So there's the car. Okay. Now the goal is see if we can get through nice and slow to start with. I've got options. I've got all 4 windows open. The back ones don't open all the way. That is a challenge. And I'm in the way of the front, so I could get this in the face. Okay, it's on my lap. Okay, number 2. We're out again. Okay. I wouldn't call that a power loop. It's more like a flip. But let's see if we can get through. Okay, that's my bad. Okay, we got in the window, just not out the other side. What I might do is I'm going to move my chair back. Okay, now we've got a lot more space. Oh, we got through. Not cleanly. Not cleanly. But we did get through. Come on. We got this. Okay, we're getting a low battery. We got through. There we go. There we go. So let's bring it back, put a new battery in.
Telemetry recovered.
Okay, let's go. Okay, not a power loop, but we got through. That's 2 in a row we got through. Look at this. That's no power loop, but